Hi guys, today I just got a mail from here. It's in here. And I've ordered a Dad Pilkey book. Either it's Catching Underpants. My dad ordered it for me, but I don't know what it is. Either it's Catching Underpants or it's something else. Like Dog Man or something. Ooh. If you watch me open it. Ooh, okay. I got Dogman Brawl the Wild. Ooh. Whoa. Well, there's nothing in there. I thought there would be like Dogman supplies or something. But I guess this is it. So I got Dogman Brawl the Wild. And here's the spine of the book. And here is the back of the book. And I'm going to look through it right now. Oh, just seeing how it smells like. So, like, I got this at Barnes & Noble one time. And my little sister has ripped it. And, yeah, it's been a little dumb. Oh, and these, the fleas are in this book. The fleas. And here's the big, or whatever that is, the Philly, the claymation Philly. Yeah, I was super excited I got this book. This was a lot of money. So thank you for watching me unboxing a box of Dogman Brawl the Wild. So, bye. I said bye. Sorry, the controls are real bad.